Okay, we've come this far. I thought I'd do. I'd go ahead and screencast one last test. I took the altimeter that had been in the Maroon rocket and ran it through the vacuum chamber for 3 simulated flights. So now I'm going to hook it up to the laptop and see if we can download those flights and see what's going on there. Okay. All right. Okay. Apparently I didn't clear this device before I ran the last test. So anyway, okay. Alright, I'm going to close this. I left the battery connected. So I want to go and control the device, see if we get any kind of readings here. Yep, so get a pressure reading. And 0 voltage after those last three simulated flights. So I don't know if the hardware seems to be working correctly, but there's definitely some kind of a voltage reading issue going on, because it didn't matter whether I had the 9 volt or the LiPo, and these are two different altimeters that I've just tested. So there's something going on there. Maybe you can figure out what's going on with that, David. Let's see. I'm going to open up the last file and see what was going on with it. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm going to email you this data, and we'll see if we can. I'll see if you can figure something out from what's going on with that.